Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about convergent and divergent. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that the range of arctanx of x, we know that should be from negative b over 2 to b over 2. So later that we put the square root of s to the power of 9 plus s for the both sides and the integration for the both sides. You will have like this. Now I will consider about this integration. Now we can use about comparison test. That means when s goes from number 1 to positive infinity, we know that s to the power of 9 plus s is greater than or equal to s to the power of 9, because from 1 to positive infinity, this one is always greater than or equal to s to the power of 9. Now, if we put in denominator like this, they will be like this. Next, we put the square root for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, this integration is smaller than this integration, and this is the first step. Next, we also know that the bounds from number 1 to positive infinity, this one is about positive, because this is about positive. So s to the power of 9 is greater than or equal to number 0. So this one, if we go to this way, this one is greater than or equal to number 0, because this one is about positive. That's why they should be about positive. Now, let's go to this one. This one we can write into s to the power of negative number 9 over 2. The square root represents about 1 over 2, because this is about denominator. That's why we have negative 9 over 2. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of negative number 9 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 9 over 2 plus 1. And we put the bounds from number 1 to positive infinity. So we simplify this one. and we will have about negative number 7 over 2. Similar for this one. About infinity, we can put about the limit. So we have the top, and I will put a limit of a approach to positive infinity. So we will have about a to the power of negative 7 over 2 minus the bottom, so we put number 1 in here. So for this one, we can write into a to the power of 7 over 2. When a approach to positive infinity, this one they go to positive infinity. With negative, we have negative infinity. 1 divided by negative infinity, you got 0. This one, we will have about 2 over 7. And we see that this integration, we calculate exact the value in here. So we can say this one in here is convergent. So if we look on the series in here, this one is about convergent, this one is about 0, so that this integration between two values in here, so we can say this integration is convergent. Now we go back to this one. We see that this one is about convergent, this one is about convergent. So there are two convergent on the left and on the right. So we can say that this one should be about convergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.